Hey guys, welcome to iCreate. Since we are still required to wear a face mask anywhere we go, even on our special day or someone's special day, for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a very simple yet elegant 3-layer bridal face mask or a mask for formal events. For the materials, we need a pattern. This one's in medium. If you want a copy, you can leave your email address below. 2 pairs of your mask fabric, 1 pair of fusible interfacing, 2 pairs of your lace fabric, 2 pieces of your elastics, and rhinestones. We will also be using pins, clips, ruler, loop turner, and fabric glue. In cutting fabrics, just fold your fabric right sides together, mark your fabric, then cut it so you can make a pair in accurate sizes. After cutting our fabrics, we will fuse our interfacing to the first pair of our mask fabric. Just lay your fusible interfacing shiny side up, then your mask fabric right side up as well. Then iron it in medium heat. Then just repeat this step on the other half. On top of our mask fabric with interfacing, we will now attach our 2-layer lace fabric. You can just use 1 layer, I just want mine to pop out, that's why I use 2 pairs of lace fabric. Clip it, then we will sew around this in 1/8 seam allowance. Again, we will sew our lace fabric in place in 1/8 seam allowance. In this step, you can sew slowly, adjust and flatten your fabric using your hand as needed so your lace fabric will not stretch out. You can just trim the excess fabric once done if needed. Next step is we will sew both pairs of our mask fabric together. Just lay them right sides together. Then clip it. Then we will sew the curved side in 1/2 inch seam allowance. Make sure that your fabric is properly aligned. So it should look like this, and just repeat this step on the other pair. Then we will iron our half seams flat. Just fold your seams in, then iron it. So we can top stitch both of our pairs for much cleaner and professional finish. So after pressing our seams in, we will now flip our fabric so we can now top stitch this in the middle. So in much closer look, we will now top stitch this in 1/8 seam allowance starting in the middle. So I'm just using my presser foot as a guide so I can make a straight stitch. So it should look like this, and we will just repeat this on the other side. Just repeat this step on the other mask fabric. So we are now finished in working on our front and back mask fabric. We will now sew this right sides together. Just clip it and pin it in place. Then we will sew the top and bottom part of the fabric, leaving the sides open. So we will sew the top and bottom in 1/4 seam allowance. Leave the sides open so we can turn it right side out later. And now we can turn our face mask right side out. Just be careful and gentle so your lace fabric won't be ruined. Then we will just iron our face mask, especially the edges, flat. Then we will fold the sides in 1/4 and in 1/2 inch. Clip it. Then we will sew this close to the edge of the fold as possible. Then just repeat the step on the other side. We will now be attaching our elastics on our mask. Just insert your elastic in the loop, tie it and leave a 1/2 inch allowance. Insert the knot in the loop, then repeat on the other side. So last step is gluing our rhinestones on our mask. So arrange first your rhinestones and distribute it equally without overcrowding your face mask. And if you're already satisfied, get your glue and glue your rhinestones in place. Make sure to press your rhinestones so it will be glued properly. Then just repeat this step on the other side of your face mask. And now our bridal face mask is finally done. If you find this video helpful, please like and consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Have a productive day. Bye!